Hey guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So happy Vlogmas EP.1. I'm really excited. So I'm saying episodes instead of like days because I'm not doing it every day. Like I said in my previous video, if you've seen it, then yeah. If not, then like, but I'm not doing it every day. I'm just doing like my regular Monday and Fridays, but they're gonna be Christmas themed and kind of like vlog style. This one is gonna be vlog style. If you see by the title, we're going to be decorating my room for Christmas, also decorating like my background, because I don't know if you guys know, but like if you watch like my Halloween videos and stuff, I like to decorate my background. So since I'm doing Vlogmas, since it's like Christmas season, I'm doing like Christmassy videos all December, then I'm going to be decorating my background for Christmas. So like I said, I just wanted to do like a proper welcome to Vlogmas, cue the fancy lights and the Christmassy stuff. I just wanted to do a proper sit down intro for you guys. Also, I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I bought for the decorating. I'm really excited. So yeah, if you guys are excited for Vlogmas, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, because I know you don't want to miss a Christmassy video. Like, it's Christmas season. I know you guys want to get into Christmas season with me. I'm so excited. This is my first year of like Vlogmas, even though like I said, I'm not doing it every day, but like you gotta do baby steps for like first year. So I'm so excited. So now let's get into showing you guys what we're going to be doing today and like the stuff that I bought to decorate. So okay, so first I have this tree. I have this a 4-foot tree, and I got this from, I think it was like Big Lots or something like that. So I'm gonna put this behind me. You see how I have that like that tray? I'm gonna see if this can stand on the tray. Honestly, I think it's gonna be too high to stand on the tray, so I'm probably gonna move the tray and just like put the tree there, so you can like see the tree behind me. Also, I set up these lights already. You can't really see them because it's really light in my room, but you see those blue like twinkly lights, so I set those up already. I kind of wish I would have did that with you guys, but it was just like a spur of the moment thing. I wanted to see if it looked good back there, so I was like, let me just see if it looks good, and then it ended up looking good, so I kept them. So I have those, but the only problem is, you see how those kind of look like blue, so it's like a cool toned white light. These ones are the yellow tone ones or the warm tone ones. So I'm like, I have another set of the battery operated one, so I might just put it on this. I might not care, honestly. We'll see what it looks like. But yes, I got these gold Christmas ornaments from the dollar store. Honestly guys, the dollar store is like where it's at during Christmas time for Christmas decorations. I got like all of my decorations from the dollar store except for like the tree. So I got these ones, which are like gold and white. My theme for my tree is like white, gold, and like rose gold, even though these are like pink. But yeah, I mean, I got these ones, which are pink and gold. So, and then I got some gold garland. I only got one. I don't even think, I hope it's enough, because like it should be. I got some other stuff too, but that's for like another video that I'm doing, so I'll show you guys when the time is right. And then I got this really cute gold Christmas tree. Like, you can't tell me that that's not cute. Like, this is so cute. And like, my mom has some in her house, like the silver ones. She got them from Target for $3, which is still a good price. But this was literally $1. Like, you can't tell me this isn't freaking adorable. Like, that is so cute. Man, I got this sign. Look, like, guys, you can't tell me. Like, are you kidding? Are you joking right now? This is so cute. So I got this sign also that I think I'm gonna put like behind me. Oh, I'm gonna put like behind me. So yeah, I got this, which is so cute. As you can see, it just says Merry Christmas, and obviously it was from the dollar store, so it was $1. Look how cute that is. Like, everything that's gonna go is gonna be so cute. Like, I can't. And then because it's a smaller tree, I just got this gold star ornament. I'm so excited to be decorating. You guys are gonna see it. We're gonna do it together, so I'm so excited. So yeah, then I got this gold star ornament. Alright, so I actually can't find the black ones right now, but if I find them, I'll show them to you later. But yeah, these are all my decorations. I'm so excited. So yeah, let me stop rambling and let's get into decorating for the holiday season. I'm so excited. I'm gonna clean my room. Please don't judge me. Not to use excuses, but I have depression. So that's why my room's a mess. So I'm actually gonna clean my room first, and then I'm gonna get to decorating. I'm so excited. I got my coffee, and as you can tell, I'm being very festive with what I'm watching. I'm just watching some murder mystery and makeup. Very festive, as you can tell. So let's try to tackle this, and I'll come back when it's clean, and then we'll get to decorating and stuff, because like this doesn't really matter. So Okay, so my room is clean for the most part. I put the stuff in the bag. So yeah, now we're just gonna get started with like decorating and stuff. So I'm excited. So I hate doing this. This is like my least favorite thing about like Christmas decorating. Alright, now I want to see what this light would look like with this, but there's not a plug over here. Isn't that weird that like this whole entire wall doesn't have a plug? I'm like, that's so weird to me. I don't know what to do. You can't really tell the difference. I'm gonna use the blue ones because the blue ones are remote control. So like, and they'll like sync. So like I can use the remote for the background ones and this one. This is so pretty. Also, there's no plug over here, so it's literally like stretched. You can't see, but it's like stretched. So this is too low. So, and it won't fit on my table. So I found a box that I'm gonna tape shut. And then I have this like fluffy rug that like is in my room, but it's also just like in the way. I'm gonna put over the box and make it look like a tree skirt. You won't see it in the video, but you'll see it like in my room, and I just don't want it to look crazy. Not me trying to find the base of the tape. I thought you could just like, I look so like crazy. I thought you could just go like this, but it's not working. Fun fact, actually really sad fact. No, I'm just kidding. I used to work at the UPS store, or a UPS store. It was horrible. My anxiety was just like through the roof, and like that's when I knew like I need to like not work for a little bit until I get my anxiety under control, which I have an appointment December, I don't know when this video is going on, but December 2nd to try to get on medicine. But like I knew that I couldn't work until then because it was like really bad. Like my ideation and like stuff like that was really bad. So yeah. Okay. So let's just get to decorating this bad boy. It's gonna be where it is for right now. I think it'll look better once I put the balls and stuff on it. And then I'll figure out somewhere to put that Merry Christmas sign because I really like it. I think it's really cute. So I don't want to not put it somewhere because, like I said, it's adorable. So yeah. Adorable. Who is the cutest boy? Who's the cutest boy? Chaos. So I don't usually watch reality shows, but I've been watching, me and my sister have been watching Double Shot at Love. So let me know who you guys' favorite is, because I personally, my favorite is KP. I love her. I think they're so cute together. And like I said, I don't usually watch reality shows, but I think they're so cute together. I honestly feel like they're like a perfect match. They look so cute sitting next to each other. Like she's so pretty, he's so cute. Like they're so cute together. If you watch Double Shot, let me know who your favorite is down below. And if it's not KP, then keep it to yourself. No, I'm just kidding. But she's just like my favorite. I think her energy is so cute, even though Angelina brought them in. I honestly don't even feel like they were like really her friends. I honestly think they were like a part of like the process, like in the beginning, but they wanted Angelina to bring somebody in who I don't really like Angelina, but I really want her to win, and I think she's going to win. I feel it in my bones. So yeah, let me know who you like down below if you watch that show. I'm gonna cut it until I get these lights on, because you guys are clearly seeing how stupid I am, and it's taking me forever to get these lights on. So I'm gonna, y'all see me when these lights is on, okay? So I'm gonna grab garland. I was thinking the intro I couldn't find the black ones. I found them. I don't know if I'm gonna use them yet. Should I put some like around here? That might be cute. I think I am gonna add some black ones to the tree. Look at how good that looks, guys. So cute. Okay, so now we're gonna put the star on top. See if it looks good. It's a little crooked. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. It's so cute, guys. Oh. Okay. So now let's figure out where to put the Merry Christmas sign because I still want it because it's very cute. So my battery died, so we're moving to this, guys. That looks so freaking cute. You cannot tell me otherwise. I'm gonna shift the plants and the table and everything over because it's uneven. Okay, so let's put another one of these balls because one of them fell off the tree when I was putting the Merry Christmas thing. I'm just gonna put this here. Wait, let me turn the light on so you guys can see it in all its glory. Are you kidding? That is so cute. Okay. Look at how cute that is, guys. Hi, baby. Okay, so now I'm just trying to figure out where to put this little tree because it's so cute, but I honestly don't think it's gonna fit anywhere over here. Also, I have another pack of lights, 2 packs. Do you guys think it would be too much to put it on the little like trees that I have right here or garland on it? I don't know. I just want to, this looks so cute. Like, I think I might just put this little tree on my TV stand. But what if I put like garland on my TV stand? I think that would be cute. As in, I think I'm gonna put the tree there. Now get a bigger candle for right there, but like for right now, I think that's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put some garland there. That looks cute to me. Okay, period. And I think I might put some on my vanity. This is stuff that has to go. Okay, let's see what the garland will look like on here. It's cute, I guess. It just looks a little like plain, but this is cute. I might add, I have some more of these. Where are they? I have some more of these. So should I put them? I'm not gonna put them here. Like, I'm not gonna do that because I use the vanity a lot. But I could put them here. Let's see. That's kind of cute. Okay, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all I have for right now. So this is the overview. It's kind of like minimal except for like this, obviously the background. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna switch over to me sitting down so I can kind of do like an outro and stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm probably gonna end up moving the Merry Christmas sign down just because like this is usually kind of like the angle that I film at. You can't see it, so I'm gonna end up probably moving it down on the tree. And yeah, I'm thinking, I wonder if I should put the tree on the ground, like where the plants are. I might do that. If I switch some things up, I'll film it and add it in this video. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. Merry Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas episode 1 for me. I'm so excited to be doing Vlogmas with you guys. This is my first vlog, so I'm hoping that it looks good. I'm very insecure about like my body and the way I look and stuff, so I might have had to cut out parts where I'm like standing and stuff. I know that sounds like weird and annoying, but I'm very insecure with the way I look. But if there's parts in here that have those parts, then yay me. I was like editing and like overcame it. But yeah, this video was so fun to make. I just love decorating with you guys. I know it was kind of like minimal in the way that like it was just like my filming background kind of and some few other things like over here, but that's pretty much all I wanted to do. I have a lot of very like random things in my room, so there's not much other room for like decorations and stuff. But yeah, I think I might move like everything kind of down so you can see everything better, and just like maybe decorate those trees back there. But like I said, I'll add it in this video. I'll be filming it after I do this sit down portion, so I might even be taking this out, whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, happy Vlogmas. We're going to be doing Vlogmas every Monday and Friday for the whole month of December. I'm going to be adding some like makeup videos in there as well, but technically it's just like Christmas style videos, so like I'm excited about that. Let me know what you guys think of my background, my decorations down below. Like I said, this is my first vlog, so go easy on me if you guys think this was like not that great. I'm sorry, it's my first time trying vlogging, and like I said, I'm very insecure about my body, so if it's like kind of weird and choppy, then that's why. But yeah, just happy Vlogmas, Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas yet, it's like December like 5th, 4th, something like that. Subscribe if you want to see more Vlogmas, and definitely turn on the post notifications to be notified whenever I upload, because I know you don't want to miss a Christmassy holiday video. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!